This fall harvest salad is everything I love about the season. Sweet roasted veggies, crunchy greens, and a light dressing that brings it all together. It's cozy and fresh at the same time. You'll need orange sweet potato, yellow onion, crisp green kale, diced apple, dried cranberries, and a handful of toasted walnuts. A drizzle of olive oil and apple cider vinegar turns it into something special. Start by roasting your orange sweet potato and yellow onion with olive oil, salt, and pepper until they're golden. To bring out the natural sweetness, spread them in a single layer. Crowded veggies steam instead of roast. If colorful seasonal recipes make you happy, tap like. It lets me know to share more fall favorites like this one. Add your chopped kale to a bowl and drizzle a little olive oil. Give it a quick massage. That's what softens the greens. Now add your roasted veggies and apples, then finish with cranberries, walnuts, and a splash of apple cider vinegar or your favorite vinaigrette. Look at those colors. Golden sweet potatoes, deep green kale, ruby cranberries, and crisp apples. A fall rainbow you can eat. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.